Hello guys, welcome to Brainiacs. So today we are gonna discuss a Python program to reverse a string. And the platform I'm going to use is Visual Studio Code. You can clearly see the icon here. It's a Microsoft platform, Visual Studio Code. So I'm gonna use this. So I have made a folder on my desktop and I have created a new file named reversestring.py in this folder. .py is the extension of any Python program. When we are working with the Python language, we have to use .py extension with the name of program. So let us begin with this program. So to reverse a string, first of all, we have to get the input of the string from the user. So we are going to get the input. Str is a variable, input keyword, and we are going to give a static message here, enter the string. Okay, so now we're going to print that string. Okay, so to reverse a string, we are going to use slicing operator. We're going to reverse the string using slicing method. So we are directly going to print it, print str here. We're going to start the slicing. As you know, the syntax of slicing is start, stop, and step. So first of all, we have to give the starting point, and by default it is 0. Okay, and next we have to give stopping point. By default that is also 0. So now we have to give the step size. Okay, so in the step size we will write -1. -1 indicates that the string will start from the ending. Now let me run this program for you. First of all, I have to save it, Control S. Now I'm going to enter the string. So the string is hello Brainiacs. You can clearly see that hello Brainiacs is the string we printed here, and this is the reverse string.